I'm obviously taking a video of me getting this free popcorn out of the vending machine. Look, it's stuck. What are you gonna do? Get a Reese's, drop it on there, see if it works. Yeah.
Okay, you video.
That's what she said.
Yeah. So what do you want me to drop on it?
Why don't you drop a 140? Come on, come on.
Lucky lottery.
No! We're gonna have like 100 things on there. No, what are you gonna put on there? What are you gonna drop?
Just give me another $1. Thanks.
She walks away. Do it again, one more. This is it. I'm not sinking bad money into this. Good money after bad. Come on.
You're kidding.
No, Pam.
Can't reach up. You're gonna lose a Reese's. You got 40 cents.